Hey there, beautiful people. How's it going? I hope you're ready for something super special today because I'm about to share a quick, easy, and oh so refreshing recipe that's going to make you feel amazing. Are you feeling a little bloated? No worries. We're going to fix that with a simple diuretic juice that helps you de-bloat, feel lighter, and say goodbye to that puffy tummy. Plus, it's delicious, and trust me, you'll want to sip on this every morning. Okay, let's talk ingredients because this juice is packed with goodness. First up, we've got 1 cup of fresh pineapple, cut into those cute little chunks. Pineapple isn't just sweet and juicy, it's your best friend when it comes to fighting inflammation and giving you that tropical energy boost. Next, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed or flaxseed meal. This tiny powerhouse is full of fiber and omega-3s, giving your belly all the love it needs. Then, let's add some fresh mint leaves. These beauties don't just make your drink smell like a spa, they're also fantastic for your digestion. And last but not least, 200 milliliters of green tea. It's already cooled down and ready to blend. Green tea is like a supercharger for your metabolism, and together, these ingredients are a dream team for your tummy. Let's get blending, shall we? Toss in that pineapple first, so bright and happy. Next, sprinkle in your flaxseed. Smells nutty, doesn't it? Then, add the mint leaves. Just a handful will do. We're going for fresh, not overpowering. Now, pour in your green tea. This is where the magic happens. Once everything's in, pop on that blender lid and let it whirl for about 2 minutes. The result? A smooth, creamy, vibrant juice that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Ta-da! Look at this beauty. Our diuretic juice is ready to shine. Go ahead and enjoy this every morning, and I promise your body will thank you. Not only does it help with bloating, but it's also a fantastic way to start your day feeling fresh, energized, and ready to conquer anything. Don't forget to sip it nice and slow. Let those flavors dance on your tongue. Now pause the video and jot down the ingredients and preparation steps. That's it for today, my friends. If you love this recipe as much as I love sharing it, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who could use a little de-bloating magic, and hit that subscribe button for more healthy, happy recipes. Until next time, stay awesome and take care of yourselves. Big hugs, bye.